Hi and welcome to One Good Life. In this channel, we draw insights from modern science and ancient wisdom that can help us live a happy and meaningful life. Today, I want to bring you a video about eye health and a few very short and simple exercises for tired eyes. I've had a massive weekend finishing my yoga teacher training, which I can talk about in a different video, and I'm feeling completely exhausted, and especially my eyes. During the week, I work as a software engineer, so I'm used to using my computer very often. However, for the last few months, I've also been doing yoga teacher training, which has involved doing a lot of designing of classes and planning of transitions and things like that on my laptop, often during weekends. And especially this final weekend with all the stress and the nerves of teaching my first full 60-minute class, I now feel completely exhausted, and especially in my eyes. So I'd like to share what I'm gonna do to try to make my eyes less tired. I'll remove my glasses so you get to see the exercise a little better. I invite you to first close down your eyes and take a few deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. 2 more in your own time. I now invite you to reopen your eyes, keeping a soft gaze. And keep extending your breaths with each exhalation. Now, without moving your head, look towards the right. And stay here for a few seconds. Coming back to center. Inhale and look down. Stay here for a few breaths. Coming back to center. Inhale and look left. Coming back to center. Inhale and look up. Coming back to center. I invite you to now do some circles with your eyes, starting on the left, then slowly moving down, slowly towards the left, towards the sky, finally towards the right again. Now reversing the direction from the right to sky, to the left, down, and meeting back on the right side, coming back to center. Now I invite you to bring your thumb up in front of your face and slowly move it out as far as you possibly can, extending the arm. With your next inhale, your head stays facing the front and you start moving your thumb towards the right side of the room. Gaze follows. Exhale, coming back to center. Perhaps changing thumbs if your arm is getting tired. And now, with the next inhale, begin to bring your thumb all the way to the left. Chin stays facing forward. And exhale, coming back to center. Inhale, bring the thumb all the way down, followed with your gaze. Exhale to center. Inhale to sky. Exhale to center. Soften your gaze once again and closing your eyes for a few breaths. With your eyes closed, begin to draw circles with your pupils. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keeping your eyes closed, imagine that you're looking into the ocean and you notice a boat far away in the horizon. Imagine trying to focus on that boat. Imagine your eyes slightly elongating, trying to reach that faraway boat with your gaze. Stay here for a few breaths. Exhale, coming back to the shore and into your body. Now opening your eyes ever so slightly, imagining that we are still facing the ocean and that boat. Inhale, imagining our gaze trying to reach that faraway boat while our eyes slightly elongate. You might want to look around the room and see what's the furthest away object you can find. If you have a window, perhaps trying to see what's the furthest away you can look. And resting on that point for a few breaths. Imagining the boat moving even further away and our gaze following it. It has now become almost a dot in the horizon, still visible to us. Slowly, with the tide, coming back to shore and into this space. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it and hope your eyes feel a little more relaxed after our exercise. If you like this video, please subscribe so we can stay in touch and practice more unique exercises together that can help you with your well-being in general. Hit the like button and comment down below whether you liked it or not. Thank you very much for practicing with me and see you again next week.